Nikulamaziya mhlonishwa sinivusele namhla ekseni.
Sivusele siveni seMaswati siyalibona ilanga lihle sesigatsene ilanga lelikhulu ukuthi likhanye eParliament namuhla sengane.
Sesitole Tsamela nembala 40 years since His Majesty ascended the throne in 1986. Kunengi ingonyama lekwendile ekuthuthukisa live. Beningahalalisa nithini? What a milestone.
Bayethe wena phakathi khula bangazithi angiloko lesingakusho silive siyiParliament even lonke leMaswati sandile kude loke wahlala position nje whatever position for 40 years. Even people who have stayed in their positions, they have not stayed for 40 years. So this is really a legacy from His Majesty, our King. We really appreciate sithi ingwenyama ilibambile live singeMaswati sithi khulenje singaka silive lelikhule ngenhlonipho live lelithuthukayo. Ngike ngathi ngihleli nje ngicabanga amakhanya ngathi ingabe nje solo ngafika ingabe ngimuphi umgwaqo lo wake wabayitha le namuhla so igravel. Not even one, but so many I can count. Le ngathi nangifila ngikhula ngivule emehlo beka gravel, but today is tar road. Not only roads but so many infrastructures. La bekunema mall khona sikhule ngemahlathi today kukhanya bogesi live lichakatile. Uyalibona ukuthi live la kaNgwane ichubekela embili ngayo ileadership wengwenyama. Sibonga kakhulu kulomuthe welive nanamuhla siyajabula siyathi ukuthi is going to show us the roadmap of the direction that we are supposed to take as a country, as a government. Lekungiyolo ukuthi sifuna kusiqhubeke kuthuthuke live ngalendlela lelithuthuka ngalo makhaya.
Siyabonga mhlonishwa.
Siyabonga kakhulu makhaya.